What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video with your boy Sticks, and welcome back to another bangers. I'm gonna be giving you guys 5 secret features that you guys probably didn't know about your BMW. Yes, I've made this video before, but I know we got a ton of new people, and I made it like a year ago, and that video was honestly, I could have done a better job. Let's just leave it with that. But with that being said, let's jump right into the video. All right, you guys, so the first feature has to do with your side mirrors. This little knob, or whatever you want to call it, switch little thing, is for your side mirrors to control it, whether you want it up, down, side, whatever you want. You know, we all have different preferences when it comes to how you want your side mirrors. But if you have this all the way to the left and you put the car in reverse, you will see your passenger side mirror will pull down. And I gotta give that to BMW, because it's probably like one of the coolest things, especially when you park in reverse like I do. I know I'm not the only one. It just makes it that much easier when parking. That way you don't scratch your rims hitting the curves or anything like that. I honestly sometimes struggle parking forward because I can't really see as much as like going in reverse. So having that feature is really cool. I found that out not that long ago, but I did find out about it, and I honestly, ever since then, I've always used it. All right, you guys, so this next one has to do with your trunk. Let's say, for example, you have a whole bunch of shenanigans in your hands, and I don't know, you don't got an extra hand to open up the trunk. What you can do is pretty much just wave your foot under the car somewhere. This takes a little bit because sometimes they don't want to work and they want to act kind of silly, but just keep waving it. It's gonna work one day. I just gotta figure out where. That's the one thing about it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So hopefully, for the sake of the video, it works. Yo, come on, bro. Hey, there we go. I told you it works. That's pretty sick. Look, cause then all you gotta do is, you don't even need to use your hands to open up your trunk. I know sometimes they want to act a little silly and it doesn't want to work. I don't know if every BMW has this, but I know mine does. So that's actually a really cool feature when it wants to work. All right, you guys, so this next feature has to do with your keys and your window. One thing to keep in mind is that this does not come with your car, so you kind of have to code it into it. But pretty much what you do is, if you hold down your unlock button, you will notice that all of your windows should start coming down. And I have a sunroof, and even that opens up all the way, which is actually really cool. If you want to just kind of open your windows up before you even get to the car, that way you can kind of, you know, get that heat out or whatever, you know what I'm talking about. But the next thing, guys, has to do also with the key, which involves just pretty much closing it the same way, but instead of holding your unlock button, you will hold your lock button. So if you lock the car and you hold the key, you will see that all of my windows start to roll up, as well as the sunroof. All right, guys, give me a break, man. I just finished with the gym. I need a little break. The sun is actually out now, and it's really, really nice out. As you guys can see, look at the trees too, bro. The trees are looking extra yellow and red, which is actually really, really nice. But this next feature that I got for you guys is inside the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in it, and I'll see you guys there. Yeah, what's up? What are you doing there, bro? Oh, you waiting for the next feature? Ah, fine. I'm gonna give it to you, man. Fine, since you guys are being so nice to me, man. Dropping a like in the video and subscribing. It's only right that I give you guys this next one. But come here, I'm gonna show you. So this next feature has to do with these beautiful numbers here. I don't have anything assigned to number 2, so I'm gonna show you guys right now how you can assign anything to any of these buttons here. Let's do media, since I like music, and maybe you guys like music. If you guys wanna, you know, assign your media to one of the buttons, all you gotta do is press and hold whichever one you want, and it's gonna make a sound. Once you hear that little sound, you can pretty much, let's say you're in the maps here and you want to go to media, instead of pressing maps or media, whatever, you click number 2 and it takes you directly into the music. So this next one I seen on a TikTok, but not about BMWs, just about other cars in general, where your windows won't go all the way up if they sense something on the window. So we're gonna see if for BMW is the same idea. So I'm gonna put my finger, I might crush it, or I might say, or BMW might be smart enough to not crush it. So I'm gonna pretty much put my window up, put my finger in the middle, and hopefully it doesn't go all the way up. Here we go. Oh, wait, ow! That actually kind of hurt. Ah, shoot. It did stop though, as you guys saw. It did stop, but it actually hurt. I don't even know why I tested it with my finger. Hold on, let's try it with my hand. Maybe something bigger. You actually won't get. Oh, see? When you have your hand, it doesn't go up as high. Maybe because there's so much more, you know, size to it. But my finger though, that actually hurt. If I would have tried the pinky, that actually would have been, it probably would have went all the way up, yo. But hey, it passed the all the way window roll up thing. I don't even know what to call it, but that's actually really cool. Even though I don't know who's ever gonna put their hand, maybe a kid, Yeah, maybe that they did it for safety reason, but yeah, that's pretty sick, man. That's pretty sick, you know. Pretty new to this list, and it's actually new to myself, and I found out about it because my friend put me onto it. I don't really know what it's good for, honestly, but getting right into it, if you press and hold that button, you guys can see that your roadside parking lamp comes on. Maybe it's for safety, but if you put that and hold it, and you come outside the car, and you go look at what happened, look what it does. It turns on one of your like lights. I don't know what that's good for, to be honest, but my friend put me onto it, and so I just kind of knew about it. And if you guys want to do it to the other side, all you gotta do is same idea, just put it up to the other side. Oh wait, I think I need to be inside the car though, because my battery's dead. Do I don't know. Let's see if it worked. Oh, it did work anyway. So as you guys can see, look, you can switch it from either side. I honestly don't know what that's good for. If you guys know, down in the comment section, go and tell me, because I have zero idea what that's good for. Does it do it in the back too? That's something I definitely don't know about. Oh, it does. Look, it does it in the back too. Well, you guys can't really see it because it's sunny out, but so this one's obviously off, and then as you guys can see, this one is not. So, but like I said, if you guys know, comment it down below, because I honestly have no idea what that is good for. Maybe it's for safety. Maybe if you're stuck on the highway, you put that on. It's kind of like I don't know what it's good for. But I cannot leave you guys without giving you guys a little POV drive. That is my 5 secret features with a bonus one for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. But before you guys go anywhere, don't go anywhere yet, because now I'm about to go on a little POV drive for you guys, because you guys know that that's what we do here. So I can't leave and not give you guys that. So let's go ahead and turn the car on, get on this POV drive. I hope you guys are enjoying so far. Appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all that cool stuff, and let's get right into the drive. Before we even get into this POV drive, I want to go ahead and say that, you know, what you guys have said in the previous video that I posted, I just want to say thank you guys so much for those comments, because it motivated me to continue to make my YouTube videos for you guys. And truly guys, I really do enjoy making these kind of videos and just videos in general. And every time I post a video or make a video, I try to do the best that I can, to be honest. So we're obviously far from being perfect, and nobody's perfect, but the main goal is to, you know, slowly get better and better every day. So that's my main goal with this stuff. So yeah, I don't got no gas, but it's all right. I look guys, I've been reading all of your comments. You guys say, yo, we want to see more aggressive driving, we want to see the burbles and the pops and all that. And don't worry guys, that is coming. I'm gonna be going to the city hopefully this weekend, so look out for that video, and we're gonna go crazy over there. I don't really drive that much in sport, like on the highway or around here, just because like you can't really hear the pops that much unless you're like around here and I put my window down, then you can hear it better. Like, yeah, you guys can, yeah, like over here you hear it, but like once you're on the highway, it's like it's kind of hard to hear, especially in video. In person, yeah, you can hear it, but on the video you can't really hear it. But I feel like I can't leave a video without doing a little POV drive for you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and do that for y'all. Sounds good though, man. This car sounds so good. Yup. If you guys found that tips or secret features helpful, let me know, and I can maybe find some more good ones for you guys that maybe, you know, you guys don't know about. But just enjoy the drive, man. Man, those barrels is crazy, man. I don't got gas for this shenanigans, but it's all good, bro. Woo! Yes, sir. Come on, what are you doing? Get out the way, move, fool. Yeah, that shit sound crazy, bro. Sounds so good, bro. So good. So good. I found you. So good, man, so good. I'm not you. If you guys know what I'm, you know what I'm singing, man. If you guys know about music, man. Actually, I don't even know about music, but that's such an old song that I feel like everybody knows it. Oh look, at a BMW 328, I think it was. So I was talking to my girl yesterday, and we were just talking about BMW. Well, I was talking, she was mostly listening. So we got behind like a BMW, and I asked, I'm like, what BMW is that? She's like, it's a 3 Series. I said, okay, well, she got something. And then I was like, what's like, which one of them is it? And she's like, I don't know how you guys be knowing about these cars and stuff like that. Like, I'm like, I don't even know myself, bro. It's just like, when you really like that kind of stuff, like especially BMWs and cars, it's like, you just know, bro. You see them so much, you do so much research on them, that you just know what's what, bro. But same thing with like cops. She's like, how do you know that that's like a cop car? It's like, I don't know, bro. They just have that distant, like that you can just tell, bro, just by looking at a car. Like, not the ones that have the lights on it, obviously. I'm talking about the undercover ones. It's just, I don't know, to me, I can just tell, bro, just by looking at them things. It's just the way they move, bro. It's so sus, bro. Some of them have certain things that only like cop cars have, but yeah, we just be knowing, bro. Where am I going right now? I'm going the wrong. Oh no, that's all right, never mind. Yes sir. But yeah, man, cops, it's just easy to tell when it's a cop for the most part. Some of them are super undercover. Like, you will not know that it was a cop, bro. Like, a car like that in front of us could be a cop, you know? Some of them be like that, and those are the ones you gotta be careful for, bro. So, but yeah, bro, just enjoying my beautiful 440,000 over here, man. Look, I saw one of the comments too, and one of you guys said that maybe we can be, because there's not a lot of BMWs like 440 content out there. So like, our family is not that big, you know what I'm saying? So that's, you know, that's probably another reason why there's not like a, you know, we don't get like millions and millions or thousands and thousands of views, just because this car is so underrated and people don't really know about it, bro. Like, there's not, if you look up 440, you know, content, there's not that much on YouTube, especially like bigger YouTubers. There's nobody really has this car besides like a few of us, you know what I mean? And some of them make content, but it's like reels or YouTube shorts, so nothing really deep, you know, about this car. And we're one of them. So one of the comments was like, yo, maybe you could be the first, you know, F36. That's one thing that I'm like, yeah, you barely see any F36s like on YouTube. So, you know, he may be right. So, oh, she moving crazy, bro. What's up? But yeah, bro, but don't worry, guys, I'm not going anywhere. You guys motivated me to continue making YouTube videos, so I'm not gonna stop. You know, my intent was never to stop, but you know, you guys kind of helped me out on that part. And yeah, and there's only one way to support me, bro. Is drop a like and subscribe. It's super free, and it just shows me that you guys are enjoying the video. So, but you guys want me to drive aggressive, and we can do that over here on this side. Not too aggressive though, because you still gotta be careful, you know what I mean? Yeah, look how this shit handles, bro. This handles like freaking amazing, bro. Ooh, those downshifts though. Those downshifts though. Look, this week is it's supposed to be super nice. So I think it's supposed to hit like 80 this weekend. So that's actually really good. I can get a car wash. I need to do an oil change. So I got a couple things that I'm gonna be doing. Maintenance, of course, but you know, I needed to do that. And the weather just have not been great recently. It's been raining for like the past, I don't even know how many weekends. So having a really nice weekend this week will be really nice. Oh man, it sounds so good out there. Gotta be careful. I know there's cops always like to linger around here, bro. But on this side. Whew. Oh man, oh man. Not again. Yes, sir. Yeah, sounds good. Oh, look at another. what is that? Is that an M550? It is an M550. Those things is nice too, bro. Those M550s, they be moving, bro. Yo, construction always doing something, bro. Construction workers is always working, bro, but they never finish. I feel like they're working but never finish. I don't know, especially in New York, bro. They be, yeah, hear that? Yes, sir. There's a lot of traffic right now. What's going on? Everybody out here. Random cone on the street. All right. Whew. Chill. I got 9 miles left. Don't worry, I'm gonna put gas. Not today, but one of these days. Nah, I can see the M550 behind, like way back there, and the lights, they just look so nice, bro. White, you just can't go wrong with white, bro. I get it, there's a lot of white BMWs, but like white is just so nice. I gotta get over here, gang. Yes, sir. I actually gotta go over here more, gang. Let me go. Thank you. But I think I'm gonna end it here, guys, because I'm pretty much almost home. Oh, look at that 340 over there, clean. Thing is nice. But if you guys like this kind of content, if you guys want me to keep posting my POVs, make sure you subscribe, like, and all that. You know, it only supports me. Look at another BMW over there. What is that? Oh, that's nice too. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.